How to fix a PC that won't post after CPU upgrade. Imagine spending hours upgrading your gaming PC only to find it refuses to start up. No lights, no beeps, just silence. That can be frustrating, but don't worry. Fixing a PC that won't post after a CPU upgrade is often straightforward if you follow some clear steps. First, check if the CPU is properly seated in the motherboard socket. Sometimes, the CPU can shift during installation, or pins can bend, preventing the motherboard from recognizing it. Carefully remove the CPU and inspect the pins or pads for damage. Reinstall it, making sure it clicks into place and is aligned correctly. Next, verify that your motherboard supports the new CPU. Many motherboards need a BIOS update to recognize newer processors. If your motherboard is older, check the manufacturer's website for the latest BIOS version. You might need to temporarily reinstall the old CPU to update the BIOS if your motherboard doesn't support the new one out of the box. After updating, try booting again. Clearing the CMOS memory resets BIOS settings to default. You can do this by removing the CMOS battery, which is a small round silver battery on the motherboard, for about 5 minutes. Or, if your motherboard has a CMOS jumper, move it to the clear position, then back. This step can fix conflicts caused by outdated BIOS settings. Make sure your power supply unit is providing enough wattage for the new CPU. High-performance processors often need more power, especially if they have higher core counts or clock speeds. Confirm all power cables, including the CPU power connector, are firmly plugged in. If your system still won't post, strip it down to the essentials. Remove all unnecessary components except the CPU, 1 stick of RAM, and the graphics card if your CPU doesn't have integrated graphics. Sometimes, faulty RAM or incompatible memory can cause boot failures. Try different RAM sticks or slots to rule out memory issues. Also, check the thermal paste application and CPU cooler installation. If the cooler isn't making good contact, the CPU can overheat immediately, shutting down before completing post. Reapply thermal paste if needed and ensure the cooler is tightly mounted. If the problem persists, test with different RAM modules or try booting with only one RAM stick installed. This helps identify if a specific memory stick or slot is causing the problem. Remember, a stable and compatible CPU upgrade is key for gaming performance. If your system won't post after a CPU upgrade, these steps can often solve the issue without risking hardware damage. Confirm the CPU is seated correctly, update the BIOS if needed, clear the CMOS, check power connections, strip down to minimal components, reapply thermal paste, and test your memory. Following this process will usually get your gaming PC back up and running smoothly.